To reset your LG dishwasher, begin by pressing the power button to turn it off. Next, disconnect the appliance from its power source. If it's hardwired, switch off the corresponding circuit breaker. Allow the dishwasher to remain disconnected for a few minutes, which will drain any residual power. After this brief period, reconnect the dishwasher to its power source or flip the circuit breaker back on. Finally, press the power button again to turn the dishwasher on. Alternatively, you can also reset the dishwasher by turning it on, locating the start or reset button, and pressing it for 3 to 5 seconds before releasing it to complete the reset process. To verify that the dishwasher is working properly, run a wash cycle. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully reset your LG dishwasher.